Assalamualaikum and welcome back again to my class. We were discussing sentence and the sentence classification of the sentence. How is it classified? So we discussed them before in the pre-lessons. The sentence was classified into different groups. Sentence को हमने different groups में classify कर दिया था, दर्जाबंदी उनकी हमने कर दी थी. Sentences according to their meaning or purpose, sentences according to their structure, and sentences according to their length. We are discussing the sentences according to their structure, means how to construct a sentence. Sentence को कैसे बनाते हैं, बनावट, sentence की बनावट. Yesterday as we discussed the simple sentence. According to structure, there are four types of sentence: simple sentence, compound sentence, compound complex sentence, and the complex sentence. So one of the kinds is compound sentence. Compound sentence, what are compound sentences actually? The sentences which are formed by two independent clauses are called compound sentences. Means जब भी हम दो आजाद फिक्रों को उठाकर यकजा कर लेते हैं, फॉर्म कर लेते हैं, दो चीजों का कैसे हम एक कंपाउंड ले लेते हैं, दो सेंटेंसेस का भी हम इसी तरह एक कंपाउंड ले लेते हैं कि he plays cricket, एक सेंटेंस, a single sentence, and the second sentence, his sister studies philosophy, वो क्रिकेट खेलता है, उसकी बहन फिलॉसफी पढ़ती है. How to merge them? He plays cricket, comma, but his sister studies philosophy. Now it seems that it is all a single sentence. After that, we bought tickets, Aslam taught them. And according to the structure, sometimes we put conjunctions and sometimes we put semicolons. Come on. As the compound sentences are formed by being with correlative conjunctions, coordinating conjunctions, subjunctive adverbs, and semicolon. But the very first case, how we form the compound sentences with the help of coordinating conjunctions. Coordinating conjunctions की मदद से हम sentence को, compound sentence को कैसे हम form करते हैं? There are some rules or some points, we will write them. When we form a compound sentence with a coordinating conjunction, जब भी coordinating conjunction उठानी हो compound sentence को form करने के लिए, we should choose the best conjunction that fits it or that best fits it. हमें उस sentence के लिए suitable conjunction उठाना चाहिए, suitable conjunction और suitable statement उठानी चाहिए जो दोनों की relationship जारी रख सके. He plays cricket, but his sister studies philosophy. देखो in contrast, हम contrast कर रहे हैं और दोनों sentences की relationship है. And what is the suitable conjunction we used? Come on, we use comma wherever we form a compound sentence with the help of coordinating conjunctions. जब भी हम coordinating conjunctions की बदौलत sentence बनाते हैं, it is preceded by comma. हम क्या करते हैं? कॉमा से इसे अलग करते हैं या जोड़ते हैं, कंजंक्शन से जब हम जोड़ेंगे कोऑर्डिनेटिंग कंजंक्शन से, देन वी विल यूज कॉमा. फॉर एग्जांपल, शी वॉर द रेड शूज, द फर्स्ट स्टेटमेंट एंड द सेकंड स्टेटमेंट, आई वॉर द ब्लैक वंस और ब्लैक शूज. But when we merge it, when we connect it, when we form it in a compound sentence, she wore the red shoes and I wore the black ones, and is the suitable conjunction which is connecting the two statements related best to each other. You waste time and your friend studies, or your friends study. You waste time and your friends study means a compound sentence with the help of the coordinating conjunctions. After that, they did not work hard, but they were promoted. Means there are two statements, two independent statements, and after that we conjuncted them, means we connected them with the help of a coordinating conjunction and comma. After that, what are coordinating conjunctions? Coordinating conjunctions, as we here mentioned them with an acronym. We say that acronym. Femboys is an acronym which can be pronounced and abbreviated too. 10 boys. F for N for nor, B for but, O for or, Y for yet, and S for so. Means these are the conjunction, coordinating conjunctions which are used in our compound sentences to be formed. That's it. Thank you.